Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Instagram stories no sound issue on iPhone. So guys, you can listen to the sound of Instagram stories of your own or else of your friend. The first question that strike your mind is what's wrong with Instagram and try solving to get rid of no music on Instagram post. Don't worry, everything can just be fine by performing some of the troubleshooting steps mentioned in this video. Well, step number one is disable silent mode. One of the most common and surprising reasons for no sound on Instagram stories is the low volume of the device. Most users tend to keep their mobile phone silent while doing some important work during business times, after which they forget to increase the volume and just start scrolling through Instagram stories. Unfortunately, they think it's a big issue, but it might be a low volume of the phone, nothing more than that. So simply check that you have off the silent mode option. Then our step number two is increase the sound. Increase the sound using volume button. Well, if your device is not on the silent, there are chances that the device has low volume due to additional touch. So it's our suggestion to increase the device volume to the highest. Now, step number three is update the Instagram app. If they are available, uh, if they are update available for the Instagram application, update it as soon as possible, as most of the updates are launched to fix bugs and enhance the performance of the application. So make sure that you have updated your Instagram. Then our fourth solution is restart your iPhone. For restarting your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on general, again scroll down, now tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After applying this solution and you are still facing the same issue of no sound, then try solution number 5, reset network settings. For doing this, first you have to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general, again scroll down, now tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. If you are still facing the same issue, there may be a chances that you don't have the iOS update version. So make sure you have updated the iOS to the latest version and check it out. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.